Hello, uh, we all know for designers or developers or for anyone, portfolio is basically your ID card to show the hiring people or clients or some other persons that you have worked in these projects or you have created this or something. So basically what you can understand is portfolio is your ID card to get access into some other company or client. So I thought, why shouldn't be portfolio made with an ID card? So now we are trying like that only. In this slide, we are trying a portfolio which focus on ID card more than portfolio. Okay, so first let me take a pencil. So initial wireframes will be like this: the frame, ID card, and here some content or something. Obviously, whether we need to take navbar or not, that's what I'm thinking here. Normally, every portfolio will have a navbar, but I don't think we need a navbar here. So what to? So since we want to make a portfolio with ID card, we need to design the ID card first. Obviously, the ID card. Let's lock this and what to do. How does an ID card look? Let's take it. A vertical ID card will look like this. This is the whole. And next, logos will be there. After that, an image, name, and rest of the details. And some footer if needed. So for now, I'm using while in the development, I will develop with Tailwind CSS. And for the framework which I will be using is Next.js. If I have time, or else I will do with framework. Next.js is a JavaScript framework. Uh, it is based on React.js, which is a very common framework, And Framer is a no-code platform. Uh, there are other no-code platforms like Webflow or WordPress. You might heard of WordPress more. So what makes Framer is very design friendly. It is a no-code platform which made for designers to get less load in development. So complex animations, if you want in very less time, you can use Framer. Or else my go-to is Next.js and Tailwind CSS, which I'll code manually. So this is the how it will look. Now let's make some good decent one. ID card will be, I'll keep in uh, let's go to the common format, that is 9:16. One zero eight zero 1920. Sorry, my bad. So I am dividing, this is too much I guess. I'm dividing with 4. So we'll get 270 by 480 ratio. And I'll add auto layout here. Auto layout is like in this one I'll teach Figma too. So auto layout, you can keep your whatever the divisions or any groups or something framers in auto format, like it will automatically arrange it for itself, which is very good to make responsive designs. So next I need to let's keep it fixed for now. So here what I'll do is I will add a rectangle. So that will be our hole. This will be our piercing hole. So next I need to keep it center. So I need to go to frame 1 and auto layout. For this one I'll keep called like Grabber might be the company name or my domain. I'll go with DM Sans. Currently DM Sans is my favorite font, so I'm going with it. Semibold. This frame I am keeping auto layout horizontally. So instead of vertically I am keeping it horizontal, so that I'll get when I keep so why I am kept horizontally is like if I want to clone it I can get here and I'm keeping to the side instead of center. So for now we can keep like that. Here I need to add an image here. For that I'll search in Google for image. I added a person. Yep, now I got the person image here. Next, this one also I'm keeping in auto layout. That I'll keep down. Next, so let's decrease the size to 14. My role is product designer. I do a lot of works, other works too, like development and everything, but mine is product designer mainly, so I'm keeping it here. So I need to copy here, so then email. Before that, let's keep some. Yeah, now it will good. I don't need two frames here, so I need one frame. So I'm wrapping here, so that what does this wrap do is, uh, instead of making it side by side, it will take the maximum width of here. If it is exceeding here, it will turn to a new line. This will be helpful in making flexbox grids. Do you like this? I'm not getting. Oh. I got another idea. So why don't we keep like this is front and back? That one will be good. Need to get breadcrumbs icon. I use uh, icon finder mostly. I'm gonna decrease it somehow. I need normally for every portfolio you get about, contact, and so contact will be the last one because they need to check your profile first. At the same time, contact also important, so I keep last one above, projects, contact, and yes, I have a blog too, so I'll keep it blog. This is good. So what is the highest here? 107. I'm grouping it. I'm using auto layout now. I'll add border to it. So here, what I'll do is I'll remove this one and this left and right parts. So for that, here I'm removing the right. Okay, good. Now I need to preserve the width here. So uh, these two, I'm gonna remove the right one also. And bottom. I guess now it's good. I'm keeping the frame. For now, this is looking good. Let's increase some bit here. For now, this is looking somewhat okay. So let's improve much more. And after projects and everything, so what should I need to keep? So let's keep some animations here. Do we need this much of height? Yeah. What we keep is let's prototype it. So how it will look like? Interaction, on click, reach to here. So animation, I'll keep smart animation. Right. So let's view the prototype now. Yeah. See now this is good, right? For now the ID card is loaded. So I need to keep some gap here. So generally there will be confusion since it is a very new idea. So what happens is uh, people doesn't know whether they need to click this hamburger or not. So further, let's keep one more thing. So here I'm adding one more thing. So I don't want this to cover, so okay, let's make underline too. Add a rule. It's perfect now. So I need to prototype this one also, perhaps. Now let's check the prototype here. So let's check the prototype here. It's looking good. On back side also okay. So did you find anything here? So what is this thing is moving, but this is not moving on parallel to the side. So what I want is I am keeping here. Let's not do it. For now, let's keep it right here. Let's remove this thing. type it as a component. Okay. So what's the difference between this component and previous one is just a static file, but this is more dynamic. So whenever you want to import a new component, which one created is file, see here. So you don't need to see these things. So I am keeping. So this is the page where I keep components. Next I am keeping new tabs. So we just need to drag and drop it here. See, now when I click here, the whole landing page is open, right? So I'm keeping here. See, so what is difference between this component and previous one is these components can be exported to anywhere in your file, whereas the static file cannot be exported. You just need to copy paste everything to create a new one. So here I can keep more variants like dark mode, light mode, and everything I can keep. So this is easier to customize. And if I change anything here, wait, let's keep instead of such as I'm keeping, yeah, see, I can change here too. So what it will help is instead of creating the content every time, copy pasting every time, in Figma if you want to change a content, so normally you design for mobile responsiveness, desktop, tablets and everything in the Figma. So you can't replicate the content every time. Once I'm typing a, if it is small letters it won't be matter that much, but if you're typing a large number of letters like paragraphs or any blog or something to show to your clients or stakeholders, so that time component will help you very much, because you just need to change one part of the content, then rest of everything will be changed. So that's what we need. And another feature is you need to keep, like, this is one the exporter component, right? So I am keeping this such as I and do some random. See, I am keeping random now. So my component name is such as I, but here I did not get. Now I change it to random here, but I did not change in the main environment because this component is a template. So here you can edit anytime. So I am keeping generally first name last. So this is what a template you create. So for now I don't need to create templates or something. So I just need to export it. Okay. So to feel like this is the whole part, I need to change the back part of each to navigate to. Now what feel like this is holding to it, keeping a hold to it. Let's make some animation here. After delay of 800 meters. So I don't need any interactions now. It's unnecessary. Create. Nowadays I like this color, so I keep all also. And if I want to edit both of the colors, I need to keep selection colors. And this 7C is there, right? I need to edit. D9, D9. And check. Why? Now, if you check in the website, main website, it's pretty much decent now. We can add more backgrounds to ID card right now. Next, another variant we need to create. That is this way. My variant should come like top to bottom, right? So what I need to keep is in Figma, go to component. I am adding another variant. This one. If we check prototype, the prototype is well and good. Now I am deleting all the prototypes here, whichever includes to this one. Deleting this, deleting this, deleting this, deleting this. I need the card to appear from top to bottom. So what I keep is after delay. So property 1 will change to what is this prototype name is default. So variant 3 will change to variant 1. So variant 1 I am keeping as default and variant 2 is as main and variant 3 this is the variant 2. So keeping as back. So let's check the prototypes again. This one is okay. This one is C2 here. So I'm prototyping it. It will take some time to load. My system is not that, but here see after delay. So this is a variant 1. I am changing the default one to variant 2. Now I would need to add much more animation. So I'm going to components. The variant from deleting complete. See now how it will look like is first it is a blank screen, and from bottom it will come up, and that one will enlarge to this Zygrobot name, and then if you click on here it will go to this one. So let's test it again. ID card. See, okay, now I want to keep much more smoother animation. Yeah. So for now the loading screen and animations are perfect. To make it more smoother, you just need to decrease the times duration like this. So uh, we got our first page. Yes, now it's good. So when I click back button, I need to open this page. Anyways, the back will be open. So after this, yeah, yeah, I got an idea. So now my plan is, let's keep the variants here. You can try sorry back. This is the variant, right? So whatever I keep the about or project or blog or something, it should appear here. My ID card should be here, but it should appear here, right? So here the about, yeah, this is known as sticky scroll. So how is it important is, this will be our about section. So all I need to keep is title. You see this one? Now I am going to component again. Prototype, interaction, on click, navigate to MacBook Air 2. Right, now I'm keeping it here. See, it's good. Right. So I wanted to make it like much more smoother animation. So here about one MacBook Air instead of instant and keep it smart and so how it feels like is again prototyping. See, now it's much more smoother. So this is a gist about today. So I'm thinking much more what we can do or something. Should I keep like projects as a separate one? And yeah, obviously I have one thing in my mind. The projects which one the project name will be also like ID card, something like this one. So when I keep projects here, uh, it will be the project image, main image, and project name. Here it will be instead of product designer, it will be like tech stack. No, company name will be better here, and some tech stack if you want. Once we click on it, you will get some details about some here, and project name here, and project details will be coming here. That one I will take it in the development process where I'll live stream that also if possible. So for today, this is the gist of it. So what we did in this session is we got an idea. We took we draw the wireframe first of all. Then we did framings. Next some typography arrangements. Next again wireframes, and we made it the device design instead of frames to a component. What component help is it will it will create an asset which can be reusable multiple times. In that, if you want, we can change the data too. So or else we will stick to the main data. And next we created a new page. So 5 concepts we learned. So that's all for today. I hope I'll create much more interactive videos. If possible, instead of live streaming, I'll take some content and I'll do much more content which you can understand UX design and product design and development easier. Till now, we didn't go to the development part, but in the future, we'll go to the development part also. Thank you.